Okay, guys, it's finally the last part of this Painting My Family series, and it's finally the big reveal! Okay, so all I have to do now is just do some final touches, fix the background, fix the shirts, the border. I'm literally almost done the painting. I just have a few more things to do. So in this video, I'll be doing that, and then make sure, make sure, make sure, make sure to watch till the end of the video in order to see the final reveal of how the painting looks like. We're going to be surprising my mom um, because this is what she requested. I wanted to see her reaction. I made sure that she wouldn't watch like the entire series, so that I think she watched the first one, but that's about it. I told her not to watch anymore because I wanted to show her like the final product with her genuine like reaction to it. I hope she likes it. So if you want to see the big reveal and my mom's reaction, then please watch till the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to see more content like this. I'm so excited to see what my mom says and what you all think about the painting and how it'll look in our living room. So if you want to see more, then keep watching.
If you guys still haven't watched part 1 and part 2 of this series, then I will link it at the top of the video. I suggest you watch it before you watch this video because it shows you the entire process. This was a really long one. It took like 3-4 weeks for me to be able to finish this entire painting because of the amount of detail, and you know, there's 6 people in the painting, so as always, if you guys would like to order your own family portrait, then you can message me. I will leave my Instagram and my Facebook in the description so that you can message me there, and then we can talk about the details. My favorite parts of the painting are actually the girls' shirts, our tops, because I put a lot of detail in like the ruffles and the wrinkles of the shirt and the shading, and I think it looked really good once I finished the painting. I don't know, there's just something about a pure white piece of clothing in a painting. So here's an update of how it's looking like right now. Almost done. So one thing I didn't put on the video is I actually like fixed the border, like the white matting. Yeah, I put tape and then I painted it white and just made all the corners and the border just a little more neat. As you can see, it's a bit rough there, so I fixed that off camera. So at this point I've finished doing all the people, and I'm working on the background now. For the background I didn't put a lot of detail, I just kind of blurred it a little bit so that the focus is more on the people and not on the background. So we're finally here. It's finally signature time. Signature time actually means that I'm completely done with the painting. It kind of signifies that I'm finally done and everything is complete. It's the very, very last step. I am so exhausted, but now we can finally do the big reveal. Are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, cover your eyes. Okay, 3, 2, go. Ano daw?
Dear, you have a beautiful family, dear, and you have a very talented baby.
Papa, what do you think?
Yeah, I look younger.
You look younger.
You look younger than Joseph.
Yeah.
Thank you so much to everyone who watched the series and joined this journey with me. I really had fun making this painting, and I hope to make another one like this soon. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.